I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you ever notice something odd while using Uber Eats, reporting it is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the reporting features. Step 2. Navigate to your orders. Tap on the Orders tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of your recent orders where you can find the one related to the suspicious activity. Step 3. Select the order. Find and select the order that you want to report. Once you tap on it, you'll also see details about the order, including the delivery information. Step 4. Report an issue. Scroll down and look for the Help or Report an Issue option. Tap on it to open the reporting menu where you can specify the type of suspicious activity you encountered. Step 5. Choose the issue type. Select the appropriate category for your report, such as safety concern or fraud. Provide any additional details in the text box, then submit your report. Remember, if you see something that feels off, like a delivery driver acting strangely or a wrong order being delivered, don't hesitate to report it. It helps keep the community safe. Happy ordering!